So in this year's tech report, we wanted to focus on market resilience, or some people like to call it market stickiness, to understand which markets are going to have the most longevity with regard to the technology industry. The investor score is one of the tools that we highlight in the report, and for this we are scoring the markets based on their strength in the technology industry. So if you're an investor and you are looking for that kind of momentum, and the technology industry is a good barometer of the innovation and expansion in a market, you'll look at the 45 markets that we have in our report this year, and you can see the strength based on their score. The lower scores, that's not to say that they don't have the same kind of economic momentum and industry momentum. It's just that if you notice the top 5 markets, the top 10 markets, those are the technology hubs, and they have been consistently growing over the past several years, and so their strength has really been solidified in that kind of activity and growth. So Silicon Valley is at the top. There is no question that that market is the technology industry hub, but you'll also find Boston is in the top 5 there. You know, it has a significant talent pool. 45% of the population has a bachelor's degree or higher. GE's recent play to relocate its headquarters into the Seaport District from Fairfield County has been a huge vote of confidence in Boston as a market for the long term. One market in particular that has shown some impressive growth this past year is Indianapolis, and Salesforce recently acquired ExactTarget, and then they've subsequently expanded into the market, and so they've seen a lot of technology leasing activity and innovation in that market. But you know, we're seeing growth across the country, which is great. You know, I think that it's a really dynamic industry, and we continue to evolve our study of the technology industry as it relates to the commercial real estate world each year. You know, the trends are changing, the innovation is changing, the location of these companies is expanding its reach, and so it's been exciting to watch that over the last several years. And I think that we're still kind of you know, on the brink of some even greater innovation that's going to continue to grow across markets.